Hey guys, so this is how you're going to set up the API key on the Figma Brandbird plugin. First, you're going to open your Figma file and then you're going to go to resources. You can find resources from the bottom tools right here, just this multiple shapes icons, and then you're going to click on that. And then from here, we are going to search Brandbird. Now, after searching Brandbird, we're going to click on plugins and widgets, and then we're going to click on this Brandbird. And then from here, we're just going to click on run. Now, let's open the Brandbird account page on another tab just so that we will have access to it. And then we're going to click run from this one. And then from here, we're going to click on set my API key. From there, we are going to set up our API key. So let's just click on where to find my API key, and then it's going to take you to this page. So you're going to have to log in with your account first. So for this one, we're going to create an account. So now that we have signed in, we are going to our account. So just click on this three dots right here, and then we're going to click on account. Now from here, we are going to see our API key. You can see it when you scroll down, and then we're just going to copy this API key. We're going to go back to Figma, and then we are going to paste this API key in this tab. We're going to hit on save. And then as you can see, the API key has been set successfully. And that's it. That is how you're going to set up the API key on Figma Brandbird plugin. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.